Hey y'all, I'm Reba. It is Derby week in my beautiful state of Kentucky, the home of fast women and pretty horses and smooth bourbon. But today we're going to do a little something for the Fillies. We're going to do the Kentucky Oaks, well, a take on it anyway, the Lily. Let's get pouring. This is such a light and refreshing drink, but it does pack a punch, so be careful. First of all, we're going to take about 3 ounces of cranberry juice, a half an ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1.5 ounces of vodka. And you know, I'm kind of a top shelf girl when it comes to drinking. So get you a nice vodka. About a half ounce of an orange liqueur. And a half ounce of simple syrup. And we will mix this all together. Don't get anything on your fancy outfit, okay? That's the best part of Derby is the fancy outfits. All right, here we go. Let's see how this turned out. Woo-wee! Oh, perfect. Look how pretty that looks. That's in my way. Let's see. It's Derby week.